Squat down.
Squat down low.
Point your toes
out the back door.
I want you to hold it in your hand.
Get down, get funky. Poke out your behind. Lady Mac, all dressed in black. Silver button all down her back. Hi-ho, a tip to toe. She broke the needle, now she can't sew. Just walking the dog. Just a walking the dog. If you don't know how to do it, I'm gonna show you how to walk the dog. Know what? Ask my mama for 15 cents. See that elephant jumping across that picket fence. I jumped so high, I touched the sky. Didn't get back till the 4th of July. Just a walking dog. Just a walking the dog. If you don't know how to do it, I'm gonna show you how to walk the dog. Right there, right there, right there. Be as funky as you can, BB. Oh yeah. Mary, quite contrary. How does your garden grow? With a silver bell and cockle shells and pretty maize all in a row. Just a walking the dog. Just a walking the dog. Well, you don't know how to do it. I'm gonna show you how to walk the dog. Just a walking. Just a walking. Just a walking. Just a walking. If you don't know how to do it, I'm gonna show you how to walk the dog. Okay, everybody, we're gonna take a short intermission. We're gonna slip into our tuxes for our special tribute to the very lovely and talented Ethel Merman. I'm sure we'll be doing all your favorites. A cavalcade of her biggest hits and also a new hit off her big album. So everybody stick around. We're going to slip into some touches and be right back in 20 minutes. Ha ha! Fooled you. We wouldn't be caught dead doing no Ethel Murphy. Here's some rock and roll with a bear that's never even seen any woods. That's 'cause he's a beach bear. Come on, sing it, devil.